Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of Urdu idioms, expressions that make our conversation colorful, emotional, and full of meaning. Idioms or muhavare are more than just fancy words. Let's explore some of the most common Urdu idioms you might hear almost daily. हाथ पाँव फूल जाना. You can repeat it after me. हाथ पाँव फूल जाना. हाथ पाँव फूल जाना. Its literal meaning is hands and feet blooming, blooming or swelling. True meaning. Its true meaning is to panic or become extremely nervous. When somebody is panic or become extremely nervous, we say इसके हाथ पांव फूल गए हैं. हाथ पांव फूल जाना means to panic. Imagine being called on stage suddenly. That will be a condition. वो इतना घबरा गया कि उसके हाथ पांव फूल गए. वो इतना घबरा गया कि उसके हाथ पांव फूल गए. नाच न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा. नाच न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा. नाच न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा. Its literal meaning is the dancer doesn't know how to dance but blames the courtyard. Its true meaning is someone who blames circumstances instead of admitting their own shortcomings. Not working hard enough at study and complaining about exam system. That is called नाच न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा. पढ़ाई के वक्त मेहनत न करना और इम्तिहान के निज़ाम की शिकायत करना, इसे कहते हैं नाच न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा. So friends, next time whenever you hear नाच न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा or हाथ पाँव फूल जाना, remember it's not just a phrase, it's centuries of lived experience wrapped in just a few words. If you enjoyed exploring these idioms, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Allah Hafiz.